How to create real MetaTrader 4 account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for real MetaTrader 4 account login. It will land you on this page. You have to head over to the very first site. It will land you on this official page. Now what you want to do is simply click on Get Started. This interface will pop up on your screen. In order to create an account, now what you want to do is first of all enter your full name and then enter your active email address. Once you have entered your email address, you have to create one password for your account. And then again, for the confirmation, you have to re-enter the password. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Sign Up. You will receive one verification code on your email address. You have to copy that code and then enter it here. Once you have entered, your account will be created successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create real MetaTrader 4 account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.